If x and y are positive integers, then 2x minus 4y equals to 3. Find 16 power x by 256 power y. Okay. See the given points. Given 2x minus 4y equals to 3. Now we will find 16 power x over 256 power y. Okay, observe that we know that 16 can be written as 4 square power x. Okay, next 256. 4 6 are 24, 1 balance, 1 6 16, 4 are 16. Again 4 16 times, 4 times. So 256 can be written as 4 power 4 power y. Okay, see next a power m whole power n. What is the formula? A power mn. Observe that this is of the form a power m whole power n. So a power mn. So 4 power 2x by a power m whole power n. So a power mn, 4 power 4 power y. So 4 power 4y. Okay, next one more formula. A power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. So 4 power 2x by 4 power 4y equals to 4 power a power n by a power n. A power m minus n, 4 power 2x minus 4y. But given 4 power 2x minus 4 power 2x minus 4y is given. What is the value of this one? 3. So 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 times of 4, 16. 16 times of 4, 64.